Air conditioning follow-up. Lost count of how many videos this is. 2011 Subaru Outback Sport. And so tested refrigerant, 6.5% air, 100% 134 refrigerant. I explained everything what was wrong, both electrically and leak-wise and compressor-wise. I'm not going to double that again. Go back and look at the other videos. But I told you I was going to recover the refrigerant because you remember the sound that was coming from the compressor? And I said this thing is low on refrigerant. And we got 180 grams. Let me finish it up. Let's go into a purge mode. So we get the liquid out of the coil, put it into the tank, and let's weigh every little last bit that comes out of there. 190, 200. 200 grams, is it out of 500? Let's see, what do we got here? Between 450 and 500 grams is what it calls for. 200 grams is what I took out. And I said it sounds like it's starving for oil. And you heard the last video what the compressor sounded like. I just proved that it was low. So we know this compressor has been ran low on refrigerant. We know it has probably overheated. And one way, if it's really bad, one way you can prove that is you pull the valve core out of the high side discharge and look for it being all gray and black on the bottom side. Then you know the compressor was run in a state of low on oil and severely overheated. Even though it's not leaking and it didn't seize up, it was overheated by being ran low on refrigerant. I did say there was dye in there from before. That's it. I'm gonna cut this video short. See you on the next one. And enjoy your day. See you guys.